Conservator washer troubleshooting. Washer not starting. One of the most common issues with a conservator washer is it not starting. This problem can stem from various factors. Identifying the root cause can save time and money. Here are some common reasons your washer might not be starting. Power supply check. First, ensure that your washer is plugged in. Sometimes the simplest solutions are overlooked. Check the power cord for any visible damage. Ensure that the outlet is functional by plugging in another device. If the outlet works, the issue might lie within the washer itself. Step action. 1. Check if the washer is plugged in. 2. Inspect the power cord for damage. 3. Test the outlet with another device. Door latch issues. Modern washers come with a safety feature that prevents operation if the door is not properly latched. Examine the door latch to ensure it is engaging correctly. If the door latch is damaged or misaligned, the washer will not start. Check the door latch for any visible damage. Ensure the door is closing properly. Listen for a click when the door is closed, indicating it is latched. Sometimes debris can obstruct the latch. Clean the latch area and try again. If the latch is faulty, consider replacing it to restore functionality. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for Hello Troubleshooting repair tips and home appliance guides. Stay tuned for new videos every week. Save time, fix smarter, and keep your appliances running perfectly. Subscribe now and join our helpful DIY community.